I'm not gonna lie to you, this is a beautiful location and I am loving my digital nomad lifestyle. But how did I get here? How did I achieve this lifestyle? How am I making money online? The easy way. How did I start when I was still in my corporate job dreaming about this location, this lifestyle, traveling the world, making money online, when all I did was search how to make money online and all I could find was, buy this course and become an affiliate and start blogging, and I hate writing and all of these investments, and I did not want that. I didn't even know how to go online. I didn't have any technical skills. So if that's you right now and you want to get started, this is for you. Money doesn't buy happiness. Or does it? The truth is that if you have no money, it becomes stressful and you can get anxiety and you have bills to pay and debts and mortgages or rent or whatnot, and it just adds up, and it does give a lot of worry and stress that blocks you from seeing opportunities and from actually taking steps towards your dream life because all you can think about is money. So we need money. That's all I keep saying. There is no doubt about that. Whether money buys happiness or not, I made a video on that. That's another topic, but we need money. You're sitting in a job, you want to quit your job, you want financial freedom. So how are you going to make money? That was my concern when I was still in my job. And so when I was searching and Googling, I could find things like buy this course and become an affiliate and buy this program and it will really help you, and invest in this, or maybe real estate or blogging or YouTubing or affiliate marketing, network marketing. Oh my goodness, I found so many things that promise you the world. But at the end of the day, I wasted my time and even invested in some programs and wasted my money because it was not giving me money easily and simply. So I really had to start from scratch, no technical expertise, no nothing. And the truth is, with all these promises they make, I had zero following. Can you make money from online courses? Who's going to buy your course? So all of these promises didn't work. Now, what did work, ways that helped me quit my job and be financially free and become a digital nomad while I was still in my job. So how did I start? Well, by stopping certain things, by starting other things, and by simple ways without investment to make money online. The first one is stop the overwhelm of thinking you have to invest in all of these programs and promises to make money online, okay? It does take effort. There is no magical pill. There is no overnight becoming a millionaire, and you probably know this, but still, even though you're smart and intelligent, I fell into the trap of thinking, maybe there is something quick and easy that I can just invest in and that will make me money. Well, maybe, very maybe, chances are very small. So I would just stop the overwhelm of searching and searching and searching. And I'll get into that and get into what you really need to do, but just stop that for now, okay? Number 2, start getting really clear on your decision to quit. Here's what I mean. For the longest time, I really want to quit, but I'm not sure. I really want to become a digital nomad, but I'll probably never make it. And so it's like back and forth and maybe yes, maybe not, maybe one day. It's almost like the people who make these resolutions of like, I want to lose weight and, I'll start dieting one day. What is one day? One day is never, okay? So it's when I really made that decision of, yes, I am going to quit. I am going to pursue this. That decision seems like a tiny step, but it was the most difficult, the hardest, and the most important step. So as long as you have not decided to quit your job and to actually pursue the lifestyle of a digital nomad or working remotely or being financially free, make that decision, because then you can start taking actions and taking steps and moving forward into the next ways that I'm gonna talk about today. The longer you hesitate, the longer you stay in this ambivalent mode, it's just giving you more stress. Number 3 is stop the limiting beliefs. What do I mean by that? It's easier said than done, yes, but it's these stories of, I can't do this, and I'm not good enough, and, who am I to make money online? I was, past 40 years old. I'm too old. That's another one. And what are other people going to say? And all of these limiting beliefs, which stopped me from seeing opportunity. It stopped me from pursuing my dream. It stopped me. And here's the thing. Do you know the story of how they catch monkeys with a banana? So I made a brilliant video on that, literally brilliant, with a banana, with the whole, it's a really funny story. And I'll put that link up here and down below as well. So a monkey, if you put a banana in a cage or in a box, the monkey will grab the banana. You put a hole in the cage, by the way. It grabs let me put it this way. It grabs the banana, and when you hold that banana, you can't get through the hole anymore, so you're stuck. So that's how they catch monkeys. Now, what happens is if you let go of that banana, you see that there's a whole bunch of banana trees all around. But no, the monkey, and that's the monkey mind we have, or a lot of us have, we hold on to that banana and we don't see all the opportunities. And I've done that. I'm really guilty of that. I was holding on to that banana because, I thought this is my safety. This is my safety net, my security. I need to hold on to this job because that's what's giving me the safety, the security, the finances, the money, everything that I need, right? Well, no, I had to let go of that limiting belief, let go of that so that I could see all the opportunities around me. Next is the fear. Okay, you have to start facing your fears. And this is also very difficult. It's the fear of, what if I fail? What if I'm not good enough? What if the fear of the unknown? What am I going to do? The fear of what other people will say. Even past 40, I was like, what are my parents going to say? And so it's that fear of so many fears that we have to deal with. But the longer we hold on to that fear, the more we are not doing anything and not taking any action. So the only way forward is by understanding that you have to face the fears, that fears are actually positive. Because when you think fear is negative, I made a really good video on overcoming fear, and I'll put that link below as well. But the fact is that if you think that fear is negative, it will keep you stuck. And the moment I started realizing that fear is actually something positive, fear is helping you to grow. And we're taught from our upbringing, like, watch out, be careful, be safe, don't fall, don't fall. In fact, we should have been told, fall and get back up, fall and get back up, because that's the only way to grow. So fear is something positive. I'm getting close to the pool, so that's why you hear these frogs and whatever else is in the pool right now. But it's kind of nice. Finding people that inspire you and that are living the life that you want to live. And that was key for me, because the longest time that I was stuck with listening to my parents who want to keep me safe and secure, and you have a high-paying job and you should stay there. Or my colleagues who loved their job and loved working for a boss, and I hated working for a boss, and all I wanted was to break free and stop asking for permission and travel the world and do what I love. But no, it's good, go to the next meeting and reach the next deadline and work on the project. And oh my goodness, when I think about it, it makes me miserable, and I was so stressed. So the moment I started surrounding myself with people who were doing what I wanted, even just talking to them, asking for help, asking for questions, that's why I'm here. Like, there's a link below that you can book to talk to me, because I'd be happy to share some strategies, some steps that help me, that can help you gain that clarity, because I've been there. So it's finding people to inspire you, because people who are living the dream life that you want, no matter what that is. See the pool behind me? I really, really enjoy that. It's an open pool. It's a natural pool. That's what I was looking for. When you talk to those people, you will get inspired. You will know what steps to take. You will know what next step to take. Right? Because they've been there. I've been there. I've been in your shoes. I can say, like, look, where are you exactly right now? What do you have? What can you do? Let's take one tiny step forward. And it's those type of people that will help you. So seek help, seek advice, talk to them. Making money starts with as long as you're in a job, and that's what I've done. As long as I was in a job, I thought, now I'm making money, so I'm going to save as much as I can. So saving is not just for an emergency fund, like an emergency fund as in you really, really have an emergency and you need the money. So you need an emergency fund. You also need a little bit of a buffer so that if you really run out of money, if you're not, you have a plan, let's say, you will make money from clients or from courses or from whatever you will be doing in the future, but there are some rough moments that money will not be coming in, then you need that buffer. So if you can build that, brilliant, brilliant. And you can do all of that while you are now still in your job. So as long as you're in your job, you're making money, make the best of it and save, okay? So save money, put money aside for the emergency and also for a buffer for the times that money will not be coming in so easily. Now, making money, how do you make money as a pure beginner? I'll tell you a few things that I've done, but I've made a video on the 7 online income stream that I started when I was still in my job as a pure beginner with no technical skills, no investment, no money, no degree, no certificate. And how I started was tutoring and teaching. So I speak several languages. I have no degree in teaching. I have no degree in languages whatsoever, but I started teaching English, French, Dutch, really simple things online, and there's many websites that you can find. Again, go watch that video. I also was tutoring people, and adults actually. So there's a ton of things that you can start online without investing, but it will put your feet into the online world, into making money online, and it's really easy. You have no degree, nothing, but it's your starting stones, right? That's how you start, and you're still in your job. So I did that in the evenings and in the weekends. Another really simple and easy thing is selling stuff. I sold everything, and I don't have any property or belongings anymore except for my suitcase and the clothes I'm wearing. And I started selling things. I had stuff in the house, like, a charger. I mean, so many things, like clothes that you never wear, shoes that you buy and maybe hardly ever wear, a nice jacket here or there, because I'm always going to sunny locations. I don't need any winter ski boots or whatsoever, anymore. So I sold, several electrical appliances, some, TV stuff, just any of that makes money. It makes money, okay? We're talking about making money easily and effortlessly. Now, the last thing I'm going to say, and this is really, really important to remember, is that when you have a high-paying job right now and you're making a really good salary, it's brilliant. And I had that too. And I thought, how can I replace that income? So let's say you're making 50, 60, 70, 100K a year. How can you replace that by traveling and only making money online? Is it realistic? Probably not. But the truth is, I'm hardly spending money. I'm going to sunny locations. All I need is my suitcase and my clothes. I'm staying in accommodation that I do not pay for. And I'll talk about that in another video. And I also made a video about how to afford luxury travel for cheap and even free. I'm not paying for any of this. This entire villa is mine with the entire surrounding and 2 hectares of garden and pool and everything. It's all free. And I'm doing house sitting, and that's free. So I don't spend. I don't have a mortgage. I don't have rent. I don't have any expenses really, except for healthcare insurance. I guess that's it really. So there's so many ways to just stop spending money, and I don't need that. I became more of a minimalist, and I love this lifestyle, and I want you to ask yourself, do you need all that money if you're going to be traveling, if you're going to be stop working, if you're going to be doing what you love? I have such a better life with no stress since I've been doing this, since I quit my job, and I don't need that money. And I'm so much happier. I'm making money, but not as a high-paying job as I had, but I'm so much more happy. So I would like to ask yourself, do you need that big house where you're staying right now? Do you need that big car or 2 cars? Do you need that clothes? Do you need to go out? Do you need to, I'll make another video on traveling and stuff on a budget, but I really want you to ask yourself this. So really, honestly, you can start today. You can start today and start building your dream life and it's really easy and really simple. And I hope this video helped you. If you could leave a comment below, I would love that. If you could hit the like button if you like it and subscribe, I would also love that, because YouTube knows then that you're enjoying this content. So ask me anything. I'm here and I'd love to share more, and I'd love to read your questions and comments. So I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.